guys, welcome back to Nat's Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your day-old, totally bad, fluffy slime. Here I have my once really amazing fluffy slime with me. So, I'm sorry I couldn't get this on tape, but I already actually fixed this. This stuff is the perfect slime. It is my favorite stuff. Basically, all you have to do is make some fluffy slime. And then you get your cornstarch out. And after it's totally sticky and not fluffy anymore, throw tons and tons of cornstarch in it. It can be any kind of cornstarch. Any will work. Then you let it sit for a whole day or night while it just sits there. Then when you come back to it, you want to have some lotion on hand. You have to do is squeeze some on, mix it up, and it becomes the best slime on earth. I love it so much. It's like that stuff that you dream about in the TV shows and stuff. It's better than the stuff you can buy from anywhere. I just know it. I can guarantee it. You'll love it. It feels like butter slime, actually. But even better than butter slime. Okay, another cool way to color your slime is chalk pastels. If you guys see in my YouTube channel, I do lots of chalk pastel videos. And, I mean, if you make a huge mess one day, while coloring, you want to clean it up, all you have to do is take your slime, and it's gone. Might be on your slime, but it's not going to affect it too much. So, it's pretty cool, right? I mean, it might take a while to be able to get this stuff, but while you're doing it, you get fluffy slime for an hour or 3. And then you could just do it right before bed and the next morning make it into the best stuff ever. I don't know how long this slime is going to last like this, but I bet all you have to do to keep it up is keep adding lotion to it. It'll be just fine. Looks like a burrito. This is just the best. Totally make this stuff. That's it for this video. I mean, that's just basically how you fix fluffy slime. It's really easy. It's not like you have to go through a bunch of steps. As long as you fix it, like, I don't know, a little bit after it's done. Like, I fixed it after, like, 2 hours after it was done. I mean, it'll be fine. So as long as you make it and then fix it right away, you'll be totally fine. Have a good day. Watch my other videos. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comment down below.